I got something in the mail today. Actually pretty excited. It's a new loom. CinDWood has a new loom out. Oops. Alright, this is the 60 peg 1/4 gauge oval sock loom from CinDWood Looms. This is what I got with the loom. Got the loom, a loom tool. CinDWood's loom tools are my favorite. Some excess glue in case you'd have a peg come loose. See how the pegs have a lot of flexibility to them? That's why these are my favorite sock looms. I am yet to break a peg on any of these looms. Don't knit tight. So you do have extra glue if you need it. It's pretty good glue. It dries clear. Then you get this little book, which is so cute and I love it. There's their e-pattern store, free patterns, which I'll hold this if you guys want to scan those. This tells information about Christy and Cindy. You have gauging, how to care for your loom, sizing. I'll hold the QR codes for just a sec for you guys. Basic instructions. It has tips for sizing for socks, which is super, super helpful, especially with this loom. Information about double knitting. Information about their S looms. And then there's a couple little patterns in here. So there. That's a little pack. And here's the loom and the loom tool. Most people you'll see get theirs marked. A lot of times when you do your socks, when you work the heel and the toe, you only work them on one side instead of how I do it. The reason I do it like this is this loom I make socks for my other half, and to get the size I like, I make the heel bigger than normal. So this is the top of the sock, this is the back. So I actually make the heel a lot larger. It gives a lot more area. If you notice that this area right here is really tight on your socks, that's a way to help with that. This is really cool. I'm very excited about this because I've made this one sock on my 60 peg 1/4 gauge just normal round loom. So the second one I'm going to make on this loom. When it's done, the pattern and everything will be in the description below. It is a double cuff sock on using Patton's Croy sock yarn, and it does take 2 full skeins of it because I use an entire one to make one sock. The fit, I love the cuffs like this. This is how I'm doing most of my socks now. It doesn't roll, it's nice, it's soft, it's comfy. But okay, alright guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, I'll put links in the video description below. There's actually a playlist for socks in the video description below. Most of those patterns, they can be directly converted to these oval looms. Well, all the patterns can be directly converted to the oval looms. All you need is to make sure you get the same gauge and number of pegs. Alright, there you go. I'm excited about this loom. Expect videos very, very soon. Keep coming back and check that video description. Make sure you are subscribed and you follow my channel so you can get emails whenever a new video does come out. And hit that like and share button. Thank you.